There is a barcode. You can download the app. You need to download Wipro Smart app for this. And yep, let's start playing this. Perfect. Cool. Now, first, what I'm going to do is you need to turn off this one 3 times, like on off and on. If you do that, it will start blinking. ஸோ 3 தடவை ஆன் ஆஃப் பண்ணிங்கன்னா இது blink பண்ணால் இது ஒரு செட்டப் பேரிங் மோடுக்கு இருக்குது. ஸோ இட் இஸ் நவ் இன் பேரிங் மோட். நவ் யூ கேன் பேர் த Wipro app. ஸோ switch off on off on off. Now see, it will start blinking also. If it start now, see, people will be blinking out. So that means this is in the pairing mode. Now you can pair this Wipro bulb with Wipro app. After that thing is done, then you have to pair this one with Alexa.
Now in setup mode, follow the instructions in your Alexa.
With Alexa, we can able to turn the room light on and off. Also, we can change the room light color. The interesting thing is, according to your music, the room light can able to make a disco light effect. So it will be a very nice feature. And yeah, Alexa, play some songs.
Here is Hungama music.
Was giving the effect from this angle, so it's more or less covered the 360 angle actually. So yeah, it's a nice purchase. Alexa, turn off the room light. See, Alexa, turn on my room light. Yeah, Alexa, change my room light color yellow. So this is one of the features that is very super awesome. We can set our smart home wherever you want. You can place every light and you can able to just say to her to on the lights. So not only this Alexa comes with Zigbee hub. That means there is a controller like this. So this using this controller, this is Arduino Uno, same Zigbee controller is there. By using that, you can connect any smart devices like your smart TV or any kind of appliances, we connect with Zigbee protocol, and you need to pair with Wi-Fi and pair with her, then it will able to operate by just in words. Alexa, turn on my fridge. Alexa, turn on my TV, and turn on my AC. It's cool, completely cool. Like a smart bulb, that's a smart plug is available. That is for around 2000 bucks, 2000 to 2000 bucks, and this one is 600 bucks. So if you want to purchase the smart LED in 600 rupees, but if you are purchasing with Alexa in a combo, you will get this for 100 rupees. So try to purchase with Alexa. Alexa, what is the weather in Pondicherry?
In Puducherry, it's 34 degrees Celsius with scattered clouds. Tonight, you can expect some clouds with a chance of thunder showers, with a low of 25 degrees.
Alexa, play Shape of You.
Shape of You by Ed Sheeran, Gio Gabriel, Travis Cole, Wayne Hernandez from Hungama Music.
ஸோ நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி கூட நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். லைக் சூப்பரான ஒரு கேஜெட் ஆக்சுவலி எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு, ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது ஆக்சுவலி. வீக்கெண்டில் ரிலாக்ஸ் பண்ண பக்காவான கேஜெட் தான். ஸோ இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம கலர் கைடு இருக்குது, இதில் கலர் கைடு இருக்குது. செல்ஃபோனில் கூட நீங்கள் அது கேட்ட மாதிரி மாற்றலாம். பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பாருங்கள் கலர் கைடு. இதுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி இந்த பல்போட கலர் மாறும். So while we talking, if you are getting annoying and you don't want to say something, you can on the mute button. It's here, the mute button, and you can start speaking. So Alexa, Alexa, if I say it won't repeat by replying to me. So just now I did mute. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know what is Alexa Echo the 4th generation is, and it has really nice features and good looking too, and nice color, and also it has 3 main features, that is Zigbee controlled smart devices, and you can use it for Amazon, the smart bulb and also the smart plug. You can play it out with your smart home setup. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe and motivate me. அப்போ தான் நான் இன்னும் வித்தியாசமான டிவைஸோட வித்தியாசமான இடத்துல உங்களை வந்து சந்திக்கிறேன். Until then, signing out by Bye.